All right, here we go. We got some garlic smoked chicken on top of some brown rice. And we got some mussels today. Check that out. Look at all those. Look at all those. Top it off with some garlic, vinegar, salt and pepper. And then we're going to put some lime juice on it. And some Frank's Red Hot sauce. And of course, got my Diet Dr. Pepper. Put it like that. All right. Check that out. All right, if you guys are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If not, make sure you guys subscribe for more episodes of some grub time. And now you know what time it is, right? It's grub time. Let's go. All right. I want to try out these mussels first. Some lemon juice in there. A little bit of hot sauce. That's right. You can make some noise. Make some noise, man.
Hey, grub time, boys.
Here we go. Open this up.
Bare hands.
Okay. Okay, really good. That's good. You try it yet, Jordan? The clams? Or the mussels?
I'm really in the mood for it.
Oh, really?
I'll try one, though.
That's okay.
That's the
Try
one.
to get me one. I'll bring it to my plate.
Where's mine?
I can find the camera, too.
Sure.
That can edit the funny parts out.
You'll probably get all the ones I'm in. A lot of his videos are in the background.
Really?
Yeah, but that's on the behind the scenes. Actually.
Good.
So how do you eat it?
Just eat it.
The inside.
But I look, you smell like the ocean.
Mm-hmm.
It does smell like fish.
It does, yeah.
This part?
Yeah. Just that part.
That's good.
Good?
Fish.
Yeah, fish on.
Not bad.
That's like fish and shrimp right there.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. Take some of the time. I know you ate that on purpose. Mussels.
That is good. Check that out. Look how good that looks.
Takes like 2 days, right?
Get more if you want. Oh yeah. You texture or what? Oh.
I should wait for that.
Yeah. The mussels are good. Can you give me some mussels, please? You put on this plate. Right. Make sure they're all gone. That's all disposal. Give me about.
Look at that. Destroyed.
Mm-hmm.
Two more.
I think a 7 is heaven.
You say rub something.
What else soy sauce at?
Right.
Give it to me, please. Do I hope so?
Like, does it sound like that rub time? Maybe?
Thank you, kind sir.
No?
Excuse me.
Whoa, my good sir. Oh, whoa. Shut the glass.
I get some vinegar.
Oh.
It's right there behind you. I'll try vinegar in that cabinet. The vinegar might be better. Down below.
You see a line?
Big old one.
What, apple cider vinegar?
Excuse me. No, the regular one. Excuse me.
Oh, it's right. This one.
Try that
Right
one.
in front of me.
Thank you. Try with some vinegar.
One vinegar.
Excuse me. Boom.
Oh, you good? That's behind you.
Vinegar.
I'm gonna keep refreshing the pages.
Maybe a little bit of hot sauce all over them. Boom. Mm-hmm. Mmm.
Block the bait.
Mussels are good, man. Excuse me.
Yeah, I'll finish it when we get back.
Okay.
I'll leave it right here for
Mm-hmm.
Are you there? Yeah, Peter did go to New York.
You in there? No people watching. We know there's people watching.
You hear that part, right? You pass it.
Why?
Right here.
You never know what's gonna happen to that one. Like, oh, he's different, you know.
Yep, sure.
You wanna keep it?
Okay.
Want a shout out?
That's great.
What's your channel? Legendary what? Legendary gamer?
No.
All right, finish this up. So good. That's why I recommend, if you want mussels, clams, or oysters, or whatever, go to the store and buy yourself, because they're bigger inside. The meat's bigger. I don't know if you guys see my seafood platter video when I ordered at a restaurant. Excuse me. The show was like this big, and the meat was so tiny you couldn't even see it. It was like $35. I mean, you get other stuff like sausage and rice and all that, but still. This was $18 for like a bunch of them. Costco. So then they don't always have it, but when they do, get it. $18. Oh. Shh. Hey, I'm in production, man. Excuse me. So good. So good. All right. Like I said, if you subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. I'm at 700 subscribers. Let's get that 1,000. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more updates, Grub Time videos, and hit that notification bell. All right?
Tell me pretty lies, look me me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.